Welcome back to your register and login tutorial, and this one we will be connecting to the database and then putting our values, which is actually pretty simple. So let's get started. First, to check, what we're going to do is we're going to echo registered successfully, if that's spelled right. Now open up this Peyton Dameron 123 123. Oh, yep, forgot about that. Let's just say Peyton 123 Peyton 123. Create account. Okay. Let's try this one more time. It is. So, that means we've come across an error. So I'm going to pause the video and then I will see what's wrong. I'll get back to finding the error, but there is one thing that we need to do first to make it a little more user friendly. Alright? Because I think I figured out the error. But I'll have to pause it again. Value. Alright, so we're setting a value inside of the box itself. Open up PHP tags inside of here. Echo full name. So let's say the user already entered it, but then you got an error, it would take away everything. Now it would still leave this in here, so he doesn't have to retype all of the fields. Go username. There we go. So to test this out, let's type in something with an error. Let's say Peyton Dameron Peyton 123 123. Create account. As you can see, these fields have still been left there until I just erased them. Okay, you guys know by now that all my errors are usually really stupid and easy to fix. Well, what's happening is the variable password has been encrypted up here. So, when saying if it's greater than 25 and an encrypted password is 32, then it'll say your password must be between 6 and 25 characters. So we're going to have to encrypt it somewhere else later in the script. So what we're going to do is take this bit of code right here. We're going to take it out. We can bring it to below register the user. Paste it. Make that look a little bit neater. And now to test this out, we're going to go back to our form. We can refresh the page here. Alright, we'll put in Peyton 123 Peyton 123. Create account, registered successfully. Now we just have to input this data into the MySQL database. Now we need to open or connect to our databases. So we can just take out that. Let's say connect to databases. Our variable connect is equal to MySQL connect. I'm connected to my computer, localhost, root is my username. My password is null. MySQL select DB. What did we call that again? Login session. Okay. Alrighty. Now we need to create a query to insert that into the databases. So query, you can call it register, equals MySQL query. Let's just space this out a little bit. Insert into users. So that means we're inserting into the database login session into the table users. Now we need to choose the values that's inputting. The values would be let's see, there is 5 values, because if we go here and then click structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be ID, but it's auto increment, so we can just leave that blank. We'll put cache name, username, password, and date. And we should probably change this to full name, because that's what we called the variable. The reason we're not checking for confirm password is because that was just for a check. That's not actually being stored into our database. Alright, and now what we can say is you have been registered successfully, or we could die the page. You've successfully registered. Equals index.php. Click here to return to the login page. And there. Now let's give this a go. Peyton Dameron. Here, hold up. Let's start off from the index page. Create an account. Peyton Dameron. Peyton. And then we're going to have Peyton 1, 2, 3. Peyton 1, 2, 3. Create account. Click here to return to the login page. Browse. As you can see, we've successfully registered. There we have it. Okay, and basically in our next tutorial, we're going to tidy everything up. Fix the login process. We're just gonna make it all work properly and more debuggy. And then after that, we should have 2 more parts. We'll have that one, and then we'll do one that makes sure the username isn't already taken. And I'll tell you why we need to do that. So let's keep on moving. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.